In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal donate link. This is really useful if you want to accept donations for a project, a cause, or even tips for your content without having to set up a full online store. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and by the end, you'll have a shareable link that anyone can use to send you money through PayPal. First, sign into your PayPal account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a button that says Create with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose the option that says Payment Link or Button. This is what lets you build a simple link people can use to donate. After you click it, PayPal will open a new page dedicated to creating your payment link or button. On this screen, make sure you're working under the option labeled Payment Link or QR Code. This is important because it ensures you get a direct link rather than a more complex button setup for websites. Next, you'll see fields where you can enter the item name and an optional description. Since this is for donations, you might name it something like Support My Channel or Donate to Our Fundraiser. The description can give donors a bit more context, such as what the money will be used for, but you can leave it blank if you prefer. Now, move down to the price section. Click on the first field there and change it from a fixed amount to customer sets price. This is what actually makes it a donation style link, because it lets each person choose how much they want to give. Below that, you can enter a label for the price field, such as donation amount, so it's clear to your donors. Then, select the currency you want to receive money in, like dollars, euros, or any other supported currency that works best for you. As you make these changes, look over to the right side of the screen. You should see a live preview of what your donors will see when they click your link. Take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks correct. The name, the description if you added one, the currency, and the fact that the amount is set by the customer. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the page and click the Build button. PayPal will generate your custom donation link. Once the page finishes loading, you'll see your new link displayed on the screen. From here, you can simply copy the link and share it wherever you need. On your website, in your social media profiles, in email newsletters, or even in chat messages. Anyone who clicks it will be taken to a PayPal page where they can enter the amount they want to donate and complete the payment securely. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a PayPal donate link that you can start using right away.